Basque Bank Savings Account Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you've been hunting for a high-yield savings account that actually pays more than your average bank, you've probably come across Basque Bank. But here's the thing, in 2025, there are dozens of online banks and fintech apps promising high interest rates. So how do you know if Basque Bank is truly worth your time, or if it's just another account that sounds great on paper, but under-delivers in reality? Today, we're going to break it all down: the features, the pros and cons, and the real-world experience of using Basque Bank in 2025, so you can decide whether to open an account or leave it. Imagine this. You open a savings account, expecting your money to grow steadily, and you want ease of access, no hidden fees, and a respectable APY that beats the national average. Most people get this wrong. They focus only on the advertised rate, forgetting about withdrawal restrictions, fees, and customer service quality. With Basque Bank, there's more than just a number to consider, and we're going to dive deep into all of it. What is Basque Bank in 2025? Basque Bank is an online banking platform that specializes in high-yield savings accounts and CDs. Unlike traditional banks with physical branches, Basque operates entirely online, which allows them to offer higher interest rates. They are FDIC insured, meaning your deposits up to $250,000 are protected, a crucial factor for anyone looking for safety alongside growth. In 2025, Basque Bank focuses heavily on providing competitive APYs, annual percentage yields, to help savers maximize interest without requiring a minimum balance that locks up your funds. They also aim to simplify the user experience, providing mobile and desktop access for easy account management. But like any financial product, the devil is in the details. Key features of Basque Bank savings accounts. 1. High yield APY. One of the biggest draws is the APY. Basque Bank consistently offers rates higher than the national average. For context, in 2025, the national average savings account rate hovers around 0.40% APY, while Basque Bank's rate often exceeds 4.00% APY. This can significantly increase your earnings over time, especially if you maintain a substantial balance. 2. No monthly maintenance fees. Many traditional banks eat into your savings with monthly fees. Basque Bank eliminates these, meaning your interest grows uninterrupted. 3. Low minimum balance requirements. Some online banks require thousands of dollars to earn top-tier interest rates. Basque Bank is more forgiving, often requiring a minimal balance to start earning interest. This makes it accessible for beginners and casual savers. 4. FDIC insurance. Every deposit is insured up to $250,000, offering peace of mind that your money is protected even if the bank experiences financial trouble. 5. Mobile and online access. All account management is handled online, which is convenient for tracking your balance, transferring funds, and setting up alerts. 6. CD options. For savers who prefer locked-in funds for higher returns, Basque Bank offers certificates of deposit with competitive rates. These can be a strategic choice for long-term goals, like buying a home or saving for a big purchase. The pros. Why Basque Bank can be worth it. 1. Compounding interest works in your favor. The combination of a high APY and compounding interest means your money can grow faster than with traditional savings accounts. Even moderate balances can generate substantial returns over time. 2. Simple fee structure. With no maintenance fees, low minimum balance requirements, and no hidden costs, Basque Bank makes it easy to see exactly what you're earning. There's no need to worry about charges that eat into your interest. 3. FDIC insurance. Security is paramount. Knowing your funds are protected up to $250,000 gives you peace of mind, especially in an uncertain economic environment. 4. Easy online management. The online interface is clean and intuitive. You can check balances, make transfers, and set up automatic savings from any device. Most users find the simplicity appealing, particularly compared to banks with clunky digital platforms. 5. Flexible savings options. Basque Bank offers both standard savings accounts and CDs, giving you the flexibility to choose between liquidity and higher locked-in interest rates. The cons. What to watch out for. 1. No physical branches. If you prefer in-person banking, Basque Bank won't satisfy you. All services are online, meaning cash deposits or personal consultations aren't possible. Asterisk asterisk 2. Limited features compared to traditional banks asterisk asterisk. While the high APY is attractive, Basque Bank doesn't offer checking accounts, debit cards, or full-service banking. If you need a single bank for all your financial needs, you might still require an additional institution. Asterisk asterisk 3. Transfer delays asterisk asterisk. Some users report that transferring funds between banks can take longer than expected. While electronic transfers are standard, they can take a few business days to settle. Asterisk asterisk 4. Interest rate fluctuations asterisk asterisk. High yield accounts often adjust rates based on market conditions. While Basque Bank typically maintains competitive rates, they are not guaranteed and can change over time. Asterisk asterisk 5. Customer service limitations asterisk asterisk. Being an online-only bank means support is primarily via phone, email, or chat. Some users feel this is slower or less personal than in-branch assistance. You won't believe the earning potential. Let's do a quick example to illustrate the power of Basque Bank's high APY. Imagine you deposit $10,000 in a standard savings account with a 4.25% APY. After 1 year, you would earn approximately $425 in interest. After 5 years, assuming compounding, you could have over $12,300. That's $2,300 in growth without adding another dollar. Compare this to a traditional savings account at 0.40% APY. You'd earn just $40 in the first year, or about $200 over 5 years. The difference is striking, especially for long-term savings. Most people get this wrong. Why rate alone isn't enough. Here's a retention hook. Many people pick a bank solely based on the advertised APY. That's a mistake. You need to consider access, fees, and the ability to withdraw funds without penalties. With Basque Bank, the combination of high yield, FDIC insurance, and no fees makes it strong. But remember, if you need liquidity or in-person service, this could be a drawback. Who is Basque Bank best for? Savers who want asterisk asterisk high interest returns asterisk asterisk on idle cash. Individuals who are asterisk asterisk comfortable with online-only banking asterisk asterisk. People who want asterisk asterisk low risk, FDIC insured savings asterisk asterisk. Those who asterisk asterisk don't need full service banking asterisk asterisk, like checking or debit cards. Who might want to look elsewhere. Customers who prefer asterisk asterisk branch access or cash deposits asterisk asterisk. People who need a asterisk asterisk complete banking suite asterisk asterisk with check-in, credit cards, and loans in one place. Users who want asterisk asterisk instant transfers asterisk asterisk between multiple accounts or banks. Final verdict. Worth it or leave it. Basque Bank in 2025 delivers exactly what it promises. High yield savings with minimal hassle. For savers focused on earning more from their deposits and comfortable with digital banking, it's absolutely worth it. It's not designed for people looking for full-service banking or physical branches, but for what it does helping your money grow safely, it excels. If you're disciplined, prefer simplicity, and value a high APY, Basque Bank should be on your shortlist. It's particularly strong for long-term savings and CDs, offering growth that outpaces many competitors without hidden fees. The surprising truth? With consistent deposits and a little patience, your money could earn far more than you expect, giving you financial flexibility and peace of mind, all from a fully digital platform. So, is Basque Bank worth it in 2025? For the right saver, absolutely. Just make sure you understand your needs, your liquidity preferences, and your comfort with online-only banking. If you found this review helpful and want to learn about more high-yield savings options, subscribe for more detailed financial reviews, and let us know in the comments what account you want us to analyze next.